السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So for the newcomers, I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to discover new story, قصة جديدة باللغة الإنجليزية. سنتعلم كلمات جديدة، عبارات جديدة، وسنطور من لغتنا الإنجليزية بإذن الله. لكن قبل البدء في الفيديو لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة لتصلكم كل الفيديوهات الجديدة، الإعجاب بالفيديو، كتابة تعليق مشجع، سأقرأ كل تعليقاتكم، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم لتعم الفائدة. Let's start. Today's video, the title is The Goose That Laid Golden Eggs. Goose الإوزة، golden ذهبي، eggs بيض. Harya, a poor barber, lived alone in his small hut. He was dedicated to his work, and whatever he earns, he was enough to fulfill his needs. Let's repeat slowly. نعيد ببطء. Harya, a poor barber, lived alone in his small hut. He was dedicated to his work, and wherever he earns was enough to fulfill his needs. One evening, after returning from work, Harya was hungry. What shall I cook tonight? What shall I cook tonight? He thought. Just then, he heard a goose clucking outside his hut. That goose would make a great feast for me. Great feast for me, thought Harya, and prepared to catch the goose. With a little effort, he was able to catch the goose. As he was about to kill the goose, it squeaked. Please do not kill me. Please do not kill me. Oh, kind man, I will help you. I will help you. Harya stopped. Though he was surprised that the goose spoke. He asked, "How can you help me? How can you help me?" "If you spare my life, I will lay a golden egg every day for you," said the goose. Harya's eyes got widened in delight. Harya was surprised to hear this promise. A golden egg! That too every day? But why should I believe you? You might be lying, said Harya. If I do not lay a golden egg tomorrow, you can kill me. The next morning, Harya found a golden egg lying outside his hut. The next morning, Harya found a golden egg lying outside his hut, and the goose sitting beside it. "It is true! You really can lay a golden egg!" exclaimed Harry with great delight. He did not reveal this incident to anyone. He did not reveal this incident to anyone, fearing that others would catch the goose. Fearing that others would catch the goose. From that day onwards, the hen or the goose would lay a golden egg every day. In return, Harry took good care of the goose. Very soon, Harry became rich, but he became greedy. He thought, "If I cut open the goose stomach, I can get out all the golden eggs at once. I do not have to wait for the goose to lay the golden eggs one by one." That night, he brought the goose to the interior portion of his house and killed the goose. But to his dismay, he found no golden eggs, not even one. Let's repeat. That night, he brought the goose to the interior portion of his house and killed the goose. But to his dismay, he found no golden eggs, not even one. Not even one. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? My greed had made me kill the goose. My greed had made me kill the goose. He wailed. He wailed. But it was too late. But it was too late. Let's repeat. What have I done? My greed had made me kill the goose. He wailed. But it was too late. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم ولو بالقليل. لا تنسوا تشجيعي ودعمي بالاشتراك في القناة، ضغط على زر لايك، كتابة تعليق مشجع، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم. See you soon!